Good day guys. Ang topic natin for today is numerical ability. So this is like a ratio, but this is like an equation kasi may equal siya eh. Okay, so 12 men is to 4 hours is equals to 8 men is equals to n hours. So this 12 men, ang ratio niya dapat mag-equal din dito. So you just multiply it. So 12 times 4 is equals to 8 times n. So this is 12 times 4 is 48 is equals to 8 multiplied by n. So divide both sides by 8 lang para makuha yung n. So n is 6 times 8 48. So this is 6. So the number of hours is 6. Okay? So you practice naman ito. 12 men is to 5. Is to 5 is equals to 4 men to n hours. N hours. Okay? So answer nyo sa comment section. Okay guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Please share pala. Thank you.